Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing hardware and access. Do this now. Verify each access point model and update firmware to a unified version to avoid roaming bugs. Make sure you can log into the wireless controller or cloud console. Once logged in, confirm the SSID, WPA2/WPA3 or WPA2 Enterprise settings, and that all APs share the same SSID and security. Assign static IPs for controllers and document VLAN and DHCP ranges, because consistent addressing prevents client dropouts when handing off. Next, configure radio and roaming specifics so clients can move smoothly. Set identical SSID and security across APs, then enable 802. 11R for fast roaming and 802. 11K/V for improved scanning and steering. These help clients decide when to roam. Tweak transmit power and pick non-overlapping 2, 4 GHz channels and coordinated 5 GHz channels to reduce interference. Adjust BSS transition and reassociation timers on the controller. Once you save and push settings, the network will advertise capabilities that finally validate roaming under real conditions and be ready to troubleshoot. Walk a test path with a phone and laptop while streaming or pinging to detect packet loss during handoffs. Use your controller's client roam logs to confirm reassociation and authentication times. If roaming fails, make sure firmware matches 802. 11R keys and PMK caching are consistent, and that security profiles are identical. One quick tip: if roam attempts stall, temporarily lower reassociation timers, and check for overlapping channel or power issues that keep clients stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.